Hello everyone! Today I will share you my first bouldering project which I've been working on for 5 weeks now. I decided to start projecting because winter season is approaching. I will spend most of my climbing sessions indoors until around next year. Only until the weather is more manageable to climb outdoors again. By the way, if you have been enjoying my climbing videos, please do give them a like and consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see some more. So let me walk you through the first route that I started last October 18. It's this red boulder on a slightly overhanging wall. It consists of crimp holds, except the last hold, which is a nice jug. But the last hold is positioned quite far from the last crimp hold, and this will require me to commit to a jump in order to reach the jug and finish the route. The start is pretty straightforward. From this sitting position, I need to reach the next hold with my right hand. But I made a mistake in reaching to this hold because it throws me off balance. After reaching this hold with my left hand, I can bring my right hand in and match hands. This allows me to be in a more stable position to grab the next holds. The next move requires a heel hook to help as an extra hand, so I can hold my position while grabbing this hold with my right hand. I am now approaching the crux of this boulder problem where I keep on struggling the most. Pointing my toes downwards helps to stabilize my movement and give me the extra strength to pull myself up. So this is the part where I'm stuck right now. Here with my left hand, my left foot, my right heel hook, and my right hand is placed here. And I have to pull myself so that I can get to that hold, pushing with my left foot, simultaneously pulling with my right hook and also with my right hand. I did session 2 weeks after the first one. During those 2 weeks, I was just working on the crux section and climbing other new boulders in the gym. Are you enjoying this video so far? If you do, please give it a like now and hit that subscribe button at the bottom right corner of this video. You can turn the notification bell too, so you're immediately notified when I post something new. This crux is so hard that I spent a lot of time thinking a better way to do it. Or maybe I just need to pull hard enough. At some point, my fingers just can't handle these crimps anymore. But then, this happened. I actually managed to grab the hold for a split second there, and it just boosted my motivation. I can do this!
Right hand to the pinch. Really good pinch, yeah. Left hand, then bounce.
Oh my god! Starting from where we left off, after mastering this move, I can now reach the hold quite easily. But I encountered another difficult challenge. From this position, where my right hand is holding on a small pinch hold, my left foot stepping on a tiny foothold, and my right foot smearing somewhere on the volume.
Just bump. Yeah.
I have to bump my left hand to the next crimp hole to the left, because it is a better hole than where I am holding right now. The problem is, remember, the wall is slightly overhanging, and bumping to the next hold stretches my arms to the fullest extent. This move requires a full body tension and quick bump so I won't swing off the wall. Obviously, I'm struggling quite a lot. But personally, when the boulder problem is this challenging, the more it's interesting. And I can pull a lot of learning from it.
Just go for it. Step on the green one with your right foot and try. Or feint, yeah.
So, unfortunately, we have to cut the session here. Because up until now, I still haven't finished this project. And I only have 3 weeks left before the gym switch all the roots on this wall. So hopefully I'll get to sand it before then, and I hope I'll get to share that experience with you. Thank you for watching! Like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel to see more. Watch out for the part 2 continuation of this project.